You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this verb, this word, once and for all, correctly in English. English pronunciation, how to say O. It's pronounced just like the letter O of the alphabet. By the way, if you want to learn more correct pronunciations in English, stay tuned. How to pronounce O, as in an example of sentence would be, I owe money to my uncle, or you owe a car to your father. O is how to pronounce it. English pronunciation, O. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.